If you are a master's student and looking for an opportunity in AI or ML, then this opportunity is for you. Watch the video till end and I will explain you everything in brief. So this opportunity is from Honeywell and the role is of intern who is currently pursuing master's degree, and the field will be AI, and the internship location will be Bengaluru, Karnataka. So this is the job description. This will be your responsibilities. Now let us move on to qualifications. So firstly, must have qualifications. So you should have experience or coursework in AI, machine learning or related fields. So this is very important. Please mention the exact keywords in your resume. This will help you in getting shortlisted. So the next one, proficiency in programming languages such as Python or R. So for machine learning and AI fields, Python is a must. And also if you know R programming language, then it will also benefit you. Now the next one, familiarity with AI frameworks and libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. So these are the machine learning libraries of Python that are required here. So please mention this in your resume, because when you apply for a job, then the keywords in your resume are matched with the keywords in job description, and then your resume either passes the ATS filter or it gets rejected. So please keep in mind that. Now let's move forward. So this was about the must have skills. Now let's move to good to have skills. So you should be pursuing a master's degree in computer science, artificial intelligence or a related field. You should have strong analytical and problem solving skills. So by problem solving skills, they mean your DSA skills. So DSA is also necessary here as this is a big MNC, and ability to work collaboratively in a team environment. Teamwork is also important here. And also please mention this in your resume. Passion for innovation and continuous learning. So if you are in IT field, this quality is a must, because your passion for innovation and continuous learning will always take you forward and will increase your knowledge. So this was about the job posting. Please apply for this fast. This is recently posted, and subscribe our channel for latest job related updates. Thank you.